Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.9, Problem 24. This is Section 1.9, Problem 24. It says use the correct order of operations to solve the following problem. And we have 8 to the second power minus square root of 16 minus 3 to the second power. So there are many operations going on. We have 2 subtractions, we have 2 second powers, we have a square root. So you have to ask what gets done first. Well, the square root is really the same as an exponent, just like the other second powers. So you could do one step at a time going from left to right, the 8 to the second power, then the next step through the square root of 16, the next step after that, the 3 second power. But they can really be done in one step. Get rid of all the exponents in one step. Ideally, you want to look for parentheses first. There are no parentheses in this problem, so you go to the second thing, which is exponents. So the 8 to the second power I will bring down as a 64 minus square root of 16. So the square root of 16 is 4 because the square root of 16 is asking what number multiplied times itself will give you back a 16, and the answer to that is 4. Then minus again, 3 second power. So 3 second power, 3 times 3 is 9. Now I have 64 minus 4 minus 9. So there are 2 subtractions. So which one needs to be done first? When you have more than one subtraction or addition or a combination of additions and subtractions, you want to go through from left to right, just the way you would read printed words. So I will do the leftmost subtraction first, the 64 minus 4. So 64 minus 4 is 60. So the problem becomes 60 minus 9. And then for the last step, 60 minus 9 is 51.